Hello, everyone. I'm Tammy.
Hi, everyone. I'm Donnie. Tammy, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too, Donnie. See, we just did it.
Exactly. You know their name now. So what do you talk about?
We talk about this and that, easy things. We call this small talk.
Small talk means easy, friendly conversation. Not deep, not too personal.
Just comfortable talking. And here's something interesting. Scientists say when people talk about themselves, their brain feels happy, like when you eat good food.
Really? So asking questions about people makes them happy?
Yes, that's why asking, "Where are you from?" or "What do you do?" is so good.
Wow. So small talk is important.
Very important. And for people learning English, small talk is the best practice.
Why is that?
Because it's easy, not stressful. You're just talking, not taking a test.
That's true. If you make a mistake, it's okay.
Totally okay. So when you see someone again, don't say, "Nice to meet you."
Right. You already met them. Say, nice to see you again.
Or just, "Good to see you." I say this a lot.
Me too. Actually, this happened to me yesterday.
Oh yeah, what happened?
I go to the gym 3 times a week, and there's a guy there. His name is Marcus. We met 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yesterday, I saw him again. Let me tell you what happened.
Okay, so there's Donnie and Marcus at the gym.
Yeah. I walked in, and I saw Marcus, and I said, "Hey, Marcus, good to see you again."
Hey, Donnie. Good to see you too, man. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I come here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Me too. Same days. So, what do you do for work? I forgot.
I'm an English teacher. I make podcasts. What about you?
Oh, that's cool. I'm a physical therapist. I help people with their bodies when they have pain.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yeah, I really like it. It's good to help people. Are you from here?
No, I'm from Seattle. I moved here 3 years ago. What about you?
I'm from Texas, but I live here now for 5 years.
Cool. So, what do you like to do, like outside of work?
I'm big on hiking. I love the mountains here.
Did you hear that phrase, "I'm big on hiking"?
Yes,
What does that mean?
I'm big on something. Means you really, really like it.
Oh, so instead of "I really like coffee," I can say, "I'm big on coffee."
Exactly. I'm big on reading. I'm big on pizza. It's very natural.
I love that. I'm big on photography.
Perfect. Okay, here's our first quiz question.
Let's hear it.
How long does it take to make a first impression? A first impression means how someone feels about you when they first see you. Is it A, 7 seconds, B, 30 seconds, or C, 2 minutes?
Interesting. Remember your answer, everyone. We'll tell you at the end.
Okay, so let's talk about questions you can ask when you see someone again.
Right. The most common question is, "Where are you from?"
This asks about their country or city. You can also ask, "Where do you live?"
And here's a tip. Give more than just the name when you answer.
What do you mean?
Don't just say, "I'm from Canada." Say a little more, like, "I'm from Canada. I'm from Vancouver. It's a beautiful city near the ocean."
Oh, that's smart, because then the other person can say something.
Right. They might say something like, "Oh, I love the ocean," and you can keep talking.
That's great advice. Give a little extra information.
Yes, don't give just one word. Give 2 or 3 sentences.
Okay, another common question is, what do you do?
This means, what is your job?
Right. You can answer, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or I work at a bank.
And here's something interesting. Scientists say that people who ask more questions in a conversation are more liked.
Really?
Yes, when you ask questions, people think you're nice and friendly.
Yes, you should learn how to ask questions as much as how you can respond in English.
Good advice. Okay, let me tell you about something that happened to me last month.
Okay.
I was at a coffee shop. I was working on my laptop, and a woman sat next to me. Her name was Lisa.
Oh, I really like your laptop case. Where did you get it?
Oh, thanks. I got it online. I like yours too.
Thank you. So, do you come here often?
Yeah, I come here about 3 times a week. I like working here. What about you?
Me too. I love this place. The coffee is great.
It really is. So, what do you do? For work, I mean.
I'm a nurse. I work at the Children's Hospital downtown.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. Do you like it?
I love it. The kids are so sweet. Some days are hard, but it's good work. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach online.
Oh, that's cool. Do you have students from many countries?
Yes, from all over the world. Korea, Brazil, Spain, everywhere.
That must be interesting. Learning about different cultures.
It really is. So, what do you like to do when you're not working? I'm big on running. I run every morning. How about you? I like reading and playing the guitar.
Guitar? That's cool.
How long have you been playing?
About 2 years now.
I'm not very good yet, but I enjoy it.
I'm sure you're better than you think.
And we talked for about 15 minutes.
That's wonderful. Did you become friends?
Yes, we exchanged phone numbers. Now we meet for coffee sometimes.
See, everyone? Small talk can make real friends.
It really can. And notice something. In our conversation, we asked questions about each other.
Right. Not just, what do you do? But also, do you like it?
These are called follow-up questions. Follow-up means asking more about what someone just said.
Like if someone says, I'm a teacher, you can ask, do you like teaching? Or what do you teach?
Perfect. This keeps the conversation going. Okay, here's quiz question number 2.
Ready?
I asked, which is better for small talk? A, asking yes or no questions like, do you like coffee? Or B, asking open questions like, what kind of coffee do you like?
Think about that one, everyone.
Okay, now let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies are things you do for fun, in your spare time.
Spare time means time when you're not working.
Right. So you can ask, what do you do in your free time? Or what are your hobbies?
This is a great question because people love talking about their hobbies.
That's true. When you ask about hobbies, people usually smile and get excited.
Exactly. So, Donnie, what are your hobbies?
I'm big on reading. I love science fiction books. I also play the guitar, like I said. What about you?
I love photography. I take pictures all the time. And I do yoga.
Yoga. How often do you do yoga?
About 4 times a week. It helps me relax.
That's great. And are you still learning Spanish?
Yes, it's hard, but I practice every day.
That's wonderful. And here's an interesting fact. Scientists say learning a new language is very good for your brain.
Really? How?
People who speak 2 or more languages have better memory. and their brain stays healthy longer.
Wow. So learning English is good for your brain health.
Exactly. So keep studying, everyone.
Yes. And here's my advice. When you have a conversation in English, write it down after.
What do you mean?
After you talk to someone, go home and write down new phrases you heard.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes. For example, today I might write, "I'm big on hiking" in my notebook.
And this helps you remember?
Yes. When you write something, your brain remembers it better.
That's true. Scientists say writing by hand helps memory more than typing.
So keep a small notebook, everyone. Write down useful phrases.
Great advice. Okay, now let's talk about what not to ask in small talk.
Yes, this is important. Some questions are too personal.
Personal means private, about someone's private life.
Right. Don't ask about money. Don't ask, "How much money do you make?"
That's rude in most cultures. Also, be careful asking about age.
In some countries, it's okay. In other countries, it's not polite.
Right. So, better to not ask, especially with older people or women.
Also, don't ask about weight or body. Like, "Why are you so thin?" or "Why are you so fat?"
Very rude. Never ask these things.
Keep small talk light and friendly. Talk about work, hobbies, where you're from.
Exactly. Okay, here's quiz question number 3.
Last quiz.
Which topic is safe for small talk? A, how much money someone makes. B, weekend plans. Or C, why someone doesn't have children.
Remember that. Okay, now let's practice a full conversation.
Good idea. So we met at a party last week. Now we see each other at a bookstore.
Okay. Oh, Donnie. Hi.
Tammy, hey! Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. So, do you come to this bookstore often?
Sometimes, yeah. I love books. What about you?
Me too. I'm looking for a mystery book. What kind of books do you like?
I'm big on science fiction. I can stay here for hours.
Nice. So, where are you from? I don't think I asked you at the party.
I'm from Seattle. It's in the northwest of the United States. Lots of rain. What about you?
I'm from Vancouver, Canada, so we're close.
Oh yeah, very close. And what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I make a podcast called Lift Up English.
Oh, cool. So you help people learn English?
Yeah, that's right. It's really fun.
That's great. Do you enjoy teaching?
I love it. Every day is different. What about you? Do you like design work?
Yes, I really like it. It's creative. What do you do in your free time?
I play guitar and read a lot. How about you?
I'm big on photography. I take pictures everywhere I go.
That's awesome. What do you like to photograph?
Nature mostly. Trees, mountains, the ocean.
Beautiful. Well, I should go, but it was really nice talking to you.
You too. Maybe we'll see each other around.
I hope so. See you later.
Bye, Donnie.
Okay, that was a good conversation.
It felt natural, right?
Very natural. And we covered many topics: where we're from, what we do, hobbies.
And we asked follow-up questions. Do you enjoy it? What do you like to photograph?
Exactly. These questions show you're interested.
Right. And here's my advice for English learners.
What's that?
Don't try to be perfect. Just try to communicate.
Oh, that's great advice.
When I started learning English, I was so scared. I didn't want to make mistakes.
What happened?
I didn't speak much. I was too worried about grammar. Then someone told me it's better to speak with mistakes than not speak at all.
Wow, that's powerful.
It changed my life. After that, I spoke more and my English got much better.
That's wonderful. So, everyone, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
When you see someone again, say, "Nice to see you again," or "Good to see you."
Ask, "How are you?" or "How have you been?"
When you answer, Give extra information. Don't just say one word.
Use follow-up questions. Ask more about what the person said.
Don't ask about money, age, or weight. These are too personal.
Don't try to be perfect. Just be friendly and communicate.
People remember how you made them feel, not your grammar mistakes.
Okay, time for quiz answers.
Question 1. How long does it take to make a first impression?
The answer is A, about 7 seconds. So smile and be friendly when you meet someone.
Question 2. Which is better for small talk?
The answer is B, open questions. Questions like, what kind of coffee do you like, are better than, do you like coffee?
Because with open questions, people can give longer, more interesting answers.
Exactly. And question 3, which topic is safe for small talk?
The answer is B, weekend plans. This is light and friendly.
Right. Don't ask about money or very personal things.
How did everyone do on the quiz?
I hope you got all 3 right.
And remember, small talk is a skill you can practice and get better.
Yes. Start with people you see often. Your neighbor, the person at your local coffee shop.
Just say, good to see you again, and ask where they're from or what they do.
That's all you need. The conversation will grow naturally.
And don't be shy. Most people are very kind.
That's true. People like when you talk to them.
Okay, I think that's everything for today.
This was a great episode, Donnie.
Thanks, Tammy. I really enjoyed talking with you.
Me too. All right, everyone. Your homework this week is to have small talk with one person.
Just one person. Say, nice to see you again, and ask where they're from or what they do.
You can do it.
Be brave, be friendly, and don't worry about mistakes.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Donnie.
See you next time, Tammy.